In this video, I will show you how to play the Banana game on Steam. First, open the Steam application on your computer. Once Steam opens, click on the search bar at the top and search for Banana. When you find the game in the search results, open its store page and click the Play Game button to add it to your Steam library if you haven't already. After the game is installed, click Play to launch it. Once the game opens, you'll see a large banana on your screen. Simply click on the banana to start playing. Every click counts, and you'll instantly unlock the game's only achievement, called Click. You can also explore the shop by clicking the Shop button. Here, you'll find different banana-themed cosmetic items that you can purchase. Buying these items supports the game's developer. That's really all there is to it. The Banana game is intentionally simple, making it a fun and unique game to try if you're curious about why it's become so popular on Steam. That's it! This is how you can play the Banana game on Steam. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.